Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Twitter for news. First, create a dedicated list for your trusted news sources. This helps organize your feed and ensures you see content from reliable outlets. Next, follow reputable journalists and established news organizations. Always verify account authenticity using official indicators, like a blue checkmark, to avoid misinformation. Finally, adjust your notification settings to receive alerts for important breaking news, ensuring you stay informed in real time. To effectively curate your newsfeed, mute keywords or accounts that are irrelevant to your interests. This helps reduce noise and keeps your feed focused. Engage with diverse perspectives to broaden your understanding of various issues. Utilize advanced search filters to pinpoint specific topics or events you want to follow closely. Remember to regularly review and update your followed accounts, ensuring your news sources remain current and relevant to your needs. Verifying information is crucial when using Twitter for news. Always cross-reference information with at least 2 or 3 other reputable sources before accepting it as fact. Be wary of sensational headlines and unverified claims, as these often indicate misinformation. Check the date and time of posts to ensure the information is current and relevant. Additionally, look for any evidence of bias in reporting to understand the full context of the news. For best practices and safety, protect your personal information and regularly review your privacy settings. If you encounter misinformation or abusive content, report it to help maintain a healthy information environment. It is also wise to take breaks from the platform to avoid information overload and maintain mental well-being. Always remember that Twitter is a valuable tool for news, but it should not be your sole source of truth.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.